Hey YouTube, Bones on Campus. Just thought I'd take a look today at some slugs that I picked up, compare them to what I had from before. Normally, I go to local Walmart, gun shop, and find these Remington sluggers in these value packs. I think last time I bought them they were like 12 bucks, 15 of them, so it's less than a buck around. I picked up some of these Ranger law enforcement Winchester low recoil 1-ounce slug loads from local gun shop. I think they were $6.50 for a box of 5. This was probably a couple weeks ago, so the gun craziness going on definitely could have added to that because I hadn't seen these before locally. But these are 2 3/4 low recoil load, 1-ounce slug. The Remingtons are 2 3/4 1-ounce, but they are not low recoil. So I wanted to compare and contrast the 2 rounds, tear them apart and see what the slugs look like, see if there's any real difference on why these cost more than those. So here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I've never done this before, is attempt to cut open the shell carefully with a set of side cutters. In order of safety, putting on some glasses, just because safety is awesome. So let's see if I can't get in here. And if there's a better way to do this, guys, let me know. This is the first time I've ever attempted this before. Tearing apart shotgun shells manually without using a gun. Okay, there is the slug. There is a disc. There was something else that flew across the room. Okay, it looks like gotten down to the powder on this one. You can see there's a small plastic cap over top of the powder. I'm trying to pry that guy up. There we go, and then we have powder. Okay, so on the Remington, we have a regular rifled slug. I believe that's Foster style. Completely hollow, very soft lead. Directly under that was this plastic disc with a hole in it, and then there was 2 different pieces of what looks like a fiber wad. So that was all stacked up like this inside that shell. So now, let's see if I can't get into this one being a little bit smarter. So inside this slug, we have, looks to be a very similar piece of lead, a small wad, some more wad material, some more wad material, and then what appears to be a similar little plastic cover or separator for the powder. This powder is actually kind of clumped up, but it is a smaller flake powder, and it's a different color. So this is how these rounds were stacked up. I'll come and do some close-ups in a minute. I haven't shot these yet, but it looks to be the exact same slug as the cheaper Remington round. So that's what the inside of these slugs look like. Both got wads. This one has a little piece of plastic, as opposed to this that has all different various forms of what looks like just paper or fiber wad. So if you wanted to be a little bit more lenient on the environment, then no, having plastic in it might bug you. But basically, you got the same ounce slug going down range out of each round. So I'll see how much less recoil these have than the Remingtons. So there you go, guys. That's taking a slug apart.